Alright guys, so today I'm working on the Element, and I picked up this exhaust flange seal. Basically that's the part number. I'm not even sure who makes it, but it's at AutoZone. I got it for like $8.50. It basically goes where the manifold, it connects to the catalytic converter right in between. Every time I step on the gas, it makes like a fluttering noise, like an exhaust noise. When I get off the gas, it's perfectly fine. I'm pretty sure that's what's causing the O2 sensor to read all like weird and stuff. And these things do go bad on the K series because that is like a ball and socket, and that thing's constantly pivoting right there. And these things wear out so small. You let a little bit of air in there and that's an exhaust leak. I actually changed the one for the RSX. It was completely thrashed when I put the header, so I just got a whole new gasket for it. So let me pop the hood. Hopefully there's a little bit more light, get in there and swap this out. All right guys, not sure how well you're gonna be able to see that, but yeah, a little bit over. Nope. Yeah, let me get a 6 point on that. This 12 points no good. All right, got a 6 point impact socket. That was on there. That thing pretty crusty. You take this next one off, you can't even see anything. It's right there. I gotta take that one off next. Let's see if I can get through there from here. Yeah, there I am. I have no proper like light or anything. I gotta invest in a light. Nope, that's not gonna work. Alright, so I got the impact stuck. Literally doesn't come off, but I got the pipe off and that thing looks pretty dang grimy. Right there. Let me see. It literally just wants to come out already. That thing's worn out. All right, let me take this thing out all the way. All right, guys, so spring bolts right there, crusty. Hopefully I could pull this thing. Yep, there it is. Bam. Well, there's my leak right there. And that's most likely the oxygen sensor reading this right here. Yeah, that doesn't look good. So got the fresh one right here. Let's pop this on, and I gotta go home and rest. Now let's see if I can get this on without too much hassle. gonna swing it over that way. You can't see anything right now, my bad, but all right, got it. Basically how it is. Okay, let me get one bolt in. All right, perfect. Right besides it, so. Okay. This extension's kind of long, basically what I'm trying to say, but it's good enough for now. I don't want to go too much right now. Good. That's good. And it's flexing nicely like it's supposed to do. I'm gonna take out this O2 sensor and I'm gonna check out the condition of it just for shits and giggles. I don't have an O2 socket right now, but I'm just gonna try and use a crescent wrench. All right, so got that out of the way. Don't need the big ol' impact. Let's see if I can get this thing out. All right, let's go outside quick. So there's the O2 sensor. What brand is it? It's kind of crusty. It could just be like an eBay brand. But it's probably worth replacing. It doesn't say Bosch or NGK or what is that, NTK, whatever it is, because I know that there's a really expensive one you can get. No writing or nothing. All right, well, I'm just gonna get this back on there, start up the vehicle and take it for a quick test drive. All right guys, so let me get this code reader in there. There we go. Key in ignition. Turn on. One code. P72, P0172. Done. All right guys, so looks pretty good. Gonna take it for a test drive, and yeah. So far, this was my findings, and yeah, that can't be good. Unfortunately, this was a brand new part, and this was a high quality part, because usually everything on here is eBay. But this was actually a nice part, but unfortunately it got squished in there, and there was an exhaust leak coming out right there. So every time every time the thing tilted the engine, it'll just leak out there on demand, going up a hill, on the freeway, whatever. I could just hear it fluttering. But yeah, so that's a little video. If you want another little update and to see if this code came back, please subscribe and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. All right guys, peace.